friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking mini bagel dogs in the air fryer. So these are frozen. We're cooking them straight from frozen. All we need is a package of frozen mini bagel dogs and a cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. So let's spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking spray. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush it with cooking oil, like vegetable oil or olive oil. Now I'll open a bag of bagel dogs, and I will put them in the air fryer in a single layer. So now let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious bagel dogs. They're so nicely browned, perfectly cooked. They look so good. It was so easy to make them in the air fryer. So crispy on the outside and perfectly cooked inside. Now let me cut one just so you see inside. See, perfectly cooked. So juicy hot dog inside. Let me try it. I'm so excited. Delicious. This is so good. You're going to love cooking bagel dogs in the air fryer. This is so easy and tastes so good. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!